Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.20, that is how to install Go programming language 1.20 on Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So currently Oracle Linux 8.7 DVD contains Go version of 1.18 only. So I am installing higher version of Go language. Okay. So I have downloaded manually Go 1.20 as a tar.gzip file. Okay, as a zip arch I have downloaded from Go website. So I am going to extract the content of Go 1.20 tar.gzip file to one location. So this is the content of Go 1.20 tar.gzip file. So let me go to OPT directory. So I am going to extract the content to /OPT directory. So I am renaming the directory for my convenience Go 1.20 because I may install multiple versions of Go in future. Okay. So this is the directory structure of Go 1.20. So it also contains bin directory. Bin directory contains the executables. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to configure the bash profile of the current user. Okay. So in the bash profile, I am adding /opt/go 1.20/bin directory to the Linux path variable, so that Go 1.20 will be available in the terminal. Go 1.20 will available in the terminal or command line. Okay. Source bash profile. So this command will load the latest profile settings. No need to reboot or log off. Go version. Okay. So Go version, it's showing Go 1.20, which means that I can able to execute the golang 1.20 command. So let me execute one sample program. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to run the sample program. So this is the sample program which will print the hello world. Okay, so next step what I am going to do, I am going to make golang 1.20 globally available to the all the users in this mission. Okay, so see here, there are two users in this mission, Oracle and Ramanathan. So only Oracle can execute golang 1.20 as of now, because Go 1.20 is configured for user Oracle only. So Ramanathan cannot execute the golang 1.20 programs. Okay, so what I am doing, I am open the terminal, switch as a root user, go to /etc /profile.d. so here multiple shell scripts are there. Under this I am creating one shell script, golang.sh. Okay, so in golang.sh I am going to add one environment variable. So that is, I am going to append the Go 1.20 bin directory to the Linux path variable, so that golang 1.20 will be available to the all the users in this mission. So this is the syntax. Please note down the syntax correctly. Make sure that no spelling mistakes are there. Okay, save the golang.sh. So this golang.sh will be executed whenever user logins, and the settings will be available globally to the all the users. Okay, now close it. Now what I am going to do, I am going to delete the bash profile settings of the current user called Oracle. Okay, so I am deleting the settings for Oracle bash profile settings. Okay, save it. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to log off the current user called Oracle. I am going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. Now let us see what is going to happen. Open the terminal. Go version. Yes, I can able to run the go 1.20 command. Next, let me execute the sample program. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute it. So now Golang 1.20 Go programming language 1.20 is available to the all the users of this machine. Okay, so let me confirm for the user Oracle also. Go version. Yes, so Golang 1.20 is successfully installed on Oracle Linux 8 operating system from tar.gzip file.